Hi students, welcome to today's online tutoring session. We are covering here is fundamental counting and combinatorics problems today. Let us see how simple it is when we break it down. Let us see it. The question says that a student must choose a computer project from 1, 2, 3 distinct lists. The list contains that is 23, 15 and 19 unique projects respectively. No project appear on more than one list, and how many total project choice does the student have? It says. This says that we apply the counting rules that we are familiar. The first one, that is, we take what? No one or no project appears on more than one list, so we apply here is the addition rule. We apply this rule. What says that the first one, that is the total choice here is equals to the sum of the individuals here. The first, that is 23, the second which is 15, and last one that is equals to 38, plus the next one that is 90, which is equals to 57. Or we have to take the sum of the three all together. That means the first choice plus second choice plus that is third choice. We can do like this. Then finally the sum that we obtained is the same as that 57. So we can solve this one. This is it clear and straightforward. Write it. If you have any question on when to add against multiply in counting problem or counting principle, please put your comments down below, and remember to subscribe, share and like our channel. A classical problem questions involving colored marbles, it says, where we have to solve for an unknown variable x which is given there. What the problem says, a bag contains 20 marbles of equal size, of which 12 are red and x is a blue, and the remainder are that are white. It says, if the probability of selecting a blue marble at random is selected, that is 1/4, then what is the value of x? We asked this one. How can we find? This is, we know that using probability of any event, E is equals to number of the event divided by number of total sample space S. We are familiar for this. So from this, what we have? This is probability of that is blue is equals to number of blue marbles divided by total number. From this, what is number of blue? It says here is x divided by the value that is total is, it is 20. So what is given? Which is equals to 1/4, it says. After that, rearrange this one. This becomes 4x is equals to 20. So what the value of x? Divide both sides by 4. X is equals to 5. The value of x is 5. So what that? It is 5. The choice that is B is the correct answer. So if you have any question about this probability problem, please put your comments in the section below. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video to support the channel. Bye bye.